Right, okay. So if it is .mov, mpg, mkv, avi, wme, then video player. If it is png, gif, tiff, then it is image weaver. And if it is .exe, what? Exe?
The software.
Yes, open as an application. Right? If it is VBS, it is Visual Basic Script. Right, okay. Likewise, the opening application will depend on the file extension. You know that. If you change the extension, what will happen? The opening application will be automatically changed. Okay, the third point. Can we edit any file using its default opening application? Yes or no? Can we edit any application, any file using its default opening application? Can we do?
Yes.
Yes.
Sure. TXT, you can open in Notepad and edit. JPG, you can open in Picture Weaver. Can you edit?
Yes.
Yes.
Photo Weaver, you can edit. Are you sure? Okay, but open using command prompt. Can you edit using command prompt?
No.
No. Okay, .html. Another thing, .html. Open with web browser. If you put HTML, it will open with web browser. Can you edit using web browser? No, you can't edit. So see here. So see here this one. I'm going to rename this file as, this time I'm going to rename the file. Let's rename as HTML. grade8.html. Let's save this. Now it will be opened using web browser. When I double click, it will open using the web browser. But can we edit using web browser? We can't edit. We can't edit. So the question that I have asked, can we edit any file using its default application? No. Some we can. TXT can be opened using Notepad and can be edited. DOCX can be opened using Word and can be edited. For an example, okay, AVI can be opened using VLC media player, but cannot edit. HTML can be edited using, can be opened using, right, can be opened using, yes, web browser. Web browser, but cannot be edited using the same. Instead, can edit using Notepad. Here also using the same, but can be edited using maybe, let's say, Movie Maker. So similar to that, MP3. MP3 can be opened using what? VLC media player. But cannot be edited using the same. Can be edited, can edit using Audacity. So likewise, the opening application is not always the editing application. So you should know this. Open the file and edit it. So you can't just do that. Even we call how to edit. Last week we learned open the file and edit. But not always. TXT can do. So I'll highlight this. This can be edited, opened and edited. I'll highlight in green color. This can be opened and edited. This can be opened and edited using the same. But others, you can't. EXE you can open, but you can't edit. So I think you understood this properly. If you understood, please write down. If you cannot understand, please ask. If you understood, please write down. If you cannot understand, please ask. Kindly ask from me.
Sir, I couldn't understand.
Which part?
The last one, sir.
Who's this? Can you tell your name? What's your name, Puta? Shamin? Oh, who's this? Hello. Can you tell your name? Hello. Can you hear me? No?
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Okay. Who said that who cannot understand? So I just want to clarify this. That's it. No other issues. So I'll explain it again. Who said that cannot understand? Because I just want to give you example and then I can check. Hello, can you tell me who didn't understand? Very simple question. Anyone didn't understand? No one.
No, sir.
Understood.
Okay. So if you cannot understand, please tell me. Okay. The TXT file එකක්, okay, I'll tell it in single. TXT file එකක් notepad එකෙන්ම open කරන්නත් පුළුවන්, edit කරන්නත් පුළුවන්. docx file එකක් docx file එකක් ගත්තොත් ඒත් ඒ වගේම තමයි. docx file එකකුත් word වලින් open කරන්නත් පුළුවන්, edit කරන්නත් පුළුවන්. AVI එකක් video file එකක්. වීඩියෝ එකක් ඔයාලට හම්බුනොත් ඔයාලට ඒක ප්ලේ කරලා බලන්න පුළුවන්. VLC media player එකෙන් වගේ වීඩියෝ එක ප්ලේ කරන්න පුළුවන්. හැබැයි එඩිට් කරන්න පුළුවන්. වෙනස් කරන්න පුළුවන්. වෙනස් කරන්න බෑ. ඊළඟට ඔයගොල්ලෝ දන්නවා HTML ෆයිල් එකක් හම්බුනොත් ඔයාලට ඕපන් කරලා බලන්න පුළුවන්. ඕපන් කරාට වෙනස් කරන්න ඔයගොල්ලන්ට වෙනම එඩිටර් එකක් ඕන. notepad එකෙන් පුළුවන්. MP3 ෆයිල් එක සින්දුවක් හම්බුනොත් ඔයාලට අහන්න පුළුවන්. ඕපන් කරන්න පුළුවන්. හැබැයි ඇහුවට ඔයාට ඒක වෙනස් කරන්න නම් විශේෂ software එකක් ඕන, වෙන එකක් ඕන. ඒ හින්දා මම කිව්වේ මේකයි අපිට හම්බෙන files open කරාට ඒ open කරන එකෙන්ම edit කරන්න බෑ. සමහර ඒවා පුළුවන්. සමහර ඒවා open කරන එකෙන්ම edit කරන්න බෑ. දැන් තේරුණාද ඒත් නැද්ද? කවුරු හරි ඉන්නවා නම් කියන්න පුතේ. මොකද මට ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ ෆීඩ්බැක් එක වැදගත්. ඒකෙන් විතරයි මට දැනගන්න පුළුවන් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට තේරුණාද නැද්ද කියලා.
I can understand, sir.
Okay.
I can understand, sir.
Okay, good. If anyone cannot understand, please let me know. So I just want to ask from, yes, I'll ask from this. Who's Provino? Can you understand?
Yes, sir.
Provino?
Yes, sir, but it's a little bit difficult.
Difficult.
But I
right?
can.
Right. So which part is difficult, Puta? Provino, because you just joined, that's why I'm asking. Which part is
The
difficult? The practical part. Oh,
Yes, the
practical part.
practical.
Yes, practical part. What do you have to do? Yes, what do you have to do about the practical part? So when we upload this video, surely we can upload within this week, right? So you can watch this using Edmodo again. You can watch any number of times because we are not going to erase this after uploading. It will be there till you finish grade 9, grade 8 class, it will be there. So can you watch it again and again and again and try it?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then let me know in case of any difficulty, please let me know because you all have a practical time. Different practical slot, that is 30-minute practical session. All of you are having that. So you can book it. So that also you can book using Edmodo. So there's a separate sheet to book that, or you can go to this. I'll share this to you in case if you don't have. In this sheet, you have something called a practical sheet. It's a practical sheet, this one. Here, so there are some free slots. You can see some students have booked and some are free. But if you have free, if you found free time, you can book the practical. So sometimes are school time, so you have to change that to evening time. So there are time available. This is all 7 days from 9 to 4:30. There are practical slots. Please book a practical slot. Please book a practical slot. So here your attendance is also marked. Here some have not attended the practical session. Dinuga is from grade 6 and here Mantuja is absent. Bhatia first day absent, but next 2 days okay. Then likewise your attendance is also marked. Inuka, I think you missed the practicals. Dulnet, yes, he's coming every day. It's good. Ravihara, I think you missed initial 2, but now you are coming.
So I did the practical.
Okay. Likewise, I can see. So most of the grade 8 students are not here. Mesat is there. But I see most of the grade 8 students. Tivindu, yes, Tiviru is there. Tiviru, you missed some practical session, right? Ravihara is there, right? Okay. Please book your practicals and then that is separate 30-minute time. That is individual. So you'll be giving individual attention, and in that case also you can ask your question and clarify it individually. So as I show, we access using TeamViewers. Please download this app and install in your computer. So that is how we access. So please book a time and allocate your practical session. I'll share this to you. I'll share edit link to you. Now, if you want, you can book it. So I'll share this through chat section. If anyone need, you can book. Right? So that is to change your practicals. Okay, the note. The note, of course, I'll send this note to you. I'll upload this to Edmodo again. From there, you can download the note as a PDF, portable document format. There you can see the Sinhala medium note as well as the English medium note both. Right, I'll upload this to your Edmodo. Right. So do you have any other questions before we finish today? Any other questions?
No, sir.
Sir, what is class or school code?
School code. Yes, that is a question. Good question. So that is basically, what is the grade? Grade 8, no?
Yes, sir.
English medium grade 8. This is the school code. I'm sending this again to you. This is the school code for grade 8 English medium. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Right. With that, I'm going to finish for today. And We'll see you all in the next day, in the next session.
Sir,
Yes.
so that means, are you sure if we